quite hard to tell in the dark, but this is obviously a very, very old part of Rome. I don't know what exactly this is. Oh, you know what? There's a sign here. Maybe let's take a look and read it. Like maybe this was part of an old fort. Comune di Roma. This is definitely really, really old here. Wow. Oh, frick. Should watch where I'm walking. So I must take the effort to climb up these marble steps, and at the top there's a cross, and I don't know why, but if you look at the cross, I mean, I'll go up there. If you look at the cross, the way that it's lit up with lights at the different angles, there are three, well, there's a cross and then there are two shadows, so maybe that means the Holy Trinity. I don't know, I'm not sure. My feet are still okay, not great, but okay. Back in Vancouver, this all these steps would be covered by homeless people. Well, we'll continue. God is calling. I'm not sure why my Google Maps had this as a detour, although I didn't program it in, but pretty cool nevertheless. A lot of steps, I'll say that. Just a few more to go. If you look, there's the cross. Here's a shadow of the cross from the light coming this direction. Here's a shadow of another cross from the light coming that direction. Or perhaps I have it backwards, but there are three crosses highly visible. I think that was very intentional. Oh, that's cool. Look, in the center courtyard, there's a guy on a horse. I don't know if this is an angel. Right now, it's hard to tell. There's the moon. You can see a bit of the skyline here. I'm just allowing my senses to absorb everything, the sights, the sounds, the smell, the feel of the air. And I definitely need some coffee.